Good morning, everyone. It is Wednesday, May 6th. Wednesday, May 6th. The badness continues. Yesterday, 38 bucks. $38. It's getting worse. Jeez. 1996 today. Yeah, I'm not going to panic yet, but I'm starting to get pissed off. So, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? You're going to get mad, right? What are you going to do about getting mad? You're going to change some stuff. Try to get some sales going. So, what I did, let me start pulling cards. Not going to take long. I like to do end and relist. I know people like end and sell similar. It's really the samey. And end and relist, or I'm sorry, end and sell similar. You have that extra step of deleting the items from your inactive inventory, or you risk having them relisted. And I've also heard all the horror stories of people losing listings when they end and sell similar. So I like end and relist. It's been several months since I've done one. And so I was up early. I like to do it early in the morning. 6:30 East Coast, 3:30 West Coast. My thought was, the system's not going to be jammed up with a lot of people that early in the morning. It used to take me, I would do 10,000 listings at a time, and it would take me 35, 40 minutes to end those 10,000 listings, 200 at a time, and then 20 to half an hour to relist those. And I'd get the system errors every once in a while, but for the most part, it was a pretty painless process. And I would do that obviously to refresh the listing in the rankings, flood the front page with 10,000 new postcards, and I would always be guaranteed several $100 bump. Years and years ago, when I would do my whole store, 13 to 17,000 postcards, it would take me a couple hours. And back, 10 years ago, I was almost guaranteed $1,000 to $1,500 in sales that first day of end and relist. And then it would obviously taper off, but it would be tapered off to like half, 700, then 400, something like that. So I started this morning at 6:30. It took about 3.5 minutes for that first batch to end, completely end. It would get to, you know, 190 in probably about a minute and a half, 2 minutes. And that would take another minute to a minute and a half for those last two, three listings to finally show that they've completely ended and show up in my inactive. And it was so slow. I was like, well, I can't do 10,000 of these. So I did 1,000. It took me 40 minutes to end and relist. One batch took 9 minutes and 20 seconds to completely end all 200 listings. It got stuck on one. It was at 199 listings ended, and it took like an extra 6 minutes for that one listing to fall off of active and show up in inactive. And then on the relist side, it took about a minute and a half to 2 minutes for those 200 to be relisted. But I ran into an issue. It showed that all 200 that I had just relisted had shown up as active, but when I went to my inactive, there was still one that was hanging there inactive, unlisted. So I don't know. I don't know what would have happened if I would have clicked relist. Would I have, eBay would have caught a duplicate listing, but maybe not. So it was painful. 40 minutes to do 1,000 listings, and it used to take an hour to do 10,000. So extrapolating all that out, and it could take probably 5+ hours for it to do a 10,000 end and relist. I can't sit there, even with focus medication. I can't sit there for 5+ hours and just watching eBay sit and spin. So I don't know what happened over the last 2 months. And I know eBay doesn't suppose, all the YouTube experts and analytic experts out there, say that eBay doesn't want you to do end and relist or end and sell similar. So I also tried end and sell similar. Again, I hate that extra step. It took 3.5 minutes for 199 listings to end, and it took an extra 6 minutes for that one listing. It was stuck at 199 it was stuck at 10 minutes. It took 10 minutes and 21 seconds to end 200 listings. And then a minute 40 to relist. And then, like I said, you have that extra step of deleting your 200 listings from your inactive list. It's just broken. It's going to change the way I do business now. With Postcards, I have 47,000 postcards in my store. My strategy was going to be get that up to 50,000, and then because I get 60,000 listings a month, I was going to take it to 50,000 active listings, and then every month I was going to end 10,000 listings and relist them. And so that would give me 60,000 listings for the month. I can't do that now unless every morning I want to spend an hour refreshing, ending and relisting 1,000 listings. I just don't have time for that. So I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my store probably right up to 60,000 and just run sales. So this morning I was playing around with sales. Like I said before, I don't run a whole bunch of sales. So this morning I put, I think it was 4,000, because you can only do 2,000 items at a time per sale. So I did the oldest listings, and these oldest listings have only been listed on eBay for a little over 4 months, because I last ended and relisted those items 4+ months ago. So some of those have been listed maybe for 15 years. Some have been on there for quite a while. So I'm going to put those all 4,000 items on 40% off for 2 weeks, and I'm going to give that a try. If I get time later today, I'll probably put the other, since I do 10,000 end and relist at a time, there's probably another 6,000 from 4 months ago that I can put on discount at 40% off. And I just won't end and relist anymore. And the older the listings are, a year from now, maybe I put them at 50% off or whatever. Can't hold on to them forever. I've already squeezed a lot of money out. I'm into profit on everything I sell now is pretty much profit. But it's just it's broken. It just no longer works, and I don't have 5 hours to spend, and with that aggravation of trying to end and relist items that only took me an hour to do. So anyway, what are you going to do? I'm going to cry. Okay, so yeah, yesterday, what do I have? I have 5 orders going out for $50 frickin'. Whee! BB, what is it? BB14. So I'm sure everybody's seeing the exact same thing. I heard of one other seller who did like an end and relist, end and sell similar, and some of his listings disappeared for 18 hours. And I don't know when they actually showed up, but 18 hours later, you found them in the inactive. But man, eBay, you're just making the site just unusable. Maybe, well, usable for you. No, not usable for me. Me. Okay, pretty cool. Sumo wrestler. Has a crease in it. And I don't know. Spent about $1 on that card. So not horrible. I listed that. Looks like around last November. I probably got this at the York Postcard Show, or right around there. So that one. What else we got? So I don't know how the sales are going to work. I have no idea. I don't really run coupons either, so maybe that's something I should try. And of course, listing, which I know I need to get to every day. I need to do some every day. I know 6-bit on the higher tiers, they do offer like an automatic end and relist. I've never used it. So I'd have to obviously try it on, like 100 listings. I wouldn't want to just full bore go at it with 47,000 listings and like every month refresh these. I don't trust eBay. And 6-bit, even though I like the program, I think they may be part of some of the problem. If you ever get those, something sells 3 months ago and then it sells again because it had been relisted. I always blamed eBay, but I have a feeling it was 6-bit doing it. No proof. I have no proof. So I don't know. I know you've seen your items have ended and then they magically get relisted. And if any of you YouTube experts, if you could tell me why that happens. Okay. I need a coffee. Maybe as soon as I get this packed. Well, as soon as I get this packed up, I'm doing a members only what sold video because I haven't done one of those in quite a while, and I apologize for that. That's why I tell you to cancel at any time and come back, because in the last 2 weeks or so, you've not missed much. BS 13. Okay, well, I gotta go pull this card. I'll be right back. Airplane. And Friday, there will be a road tripping and postcard picking with 100% less cringe coming out. It's already active on the member side of things. So if you want to get early access, membership links below. And members, I got something to talk about besides what sold video. So I'm going to do that now. Let's see if anything else sold. Nothing else did. So everybody will see you tomorrow. Hopefully.